We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced biblical names as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. She is an Islamic matriarch and a biblical figure in the book of Genesis. How do you say her name? In British English, it is pronounced as Hagar. Hagar. You do want to stress on the first syllable. In American English, however, it is usually said as Hagar. Hagar in American English, or Hagar in British English. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names from the Bible, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.